Hello guys, everyone already understand see my thumbnail and my title. I am going to share today September 2nd week latest top 10 winning products for free. So thank you for watching my video. Please I am going to share everything very describably, then you can understand very easily. So stay with me and I will keep in touch straight away. Okay, first on I select the my media. Then I am going to shop now page and I am going to set the shoe now. Okay, this one I am going to follow. This one is like is too much like, and from July this one ads is still running, so we can pick very easily this product. This is the winning product. You see when we go the ad library, Facebook ad library, then you can see the lots of active ads there. I mentioned a lot of time my previous video, so everyone can see the system how I do that. So once you see the ad library, then you can see the active ads here. They are running ads here, active ads from lot of days. Same product, same product. Okay, so let's pick this one. This one is very winning product and good product as well. Okay, I'm going to add this one and I'm going to add the Facebook ad library or Facebook post is also very good for us understanding. Okay, and then I'm going to add the Facebook ads. Lock the full. After finishing the video, I will fulfill all of them. So let me add another 9 product step by step. So let's try to find another one. So we already got one. So let's see what happening. This one. I do only uh, big winner one. Second week. Let's see what happening. This one. Yeah. Source of like, and this one is pen is very good pen. So let's see the shop now from this product. Okay, this is the collection, so I do not pick this one. I'm going to find out the general type of product, then everyone can uh, run product very easily. And I'm going to try to find the problem solving product as well. Let me see the Facebook ad first. Lots of like, they are running hours 30. It's also collection, so I do not pick this one also. This one also very good one, so let's pick this one. I hope this one also good. Yeah, lots of like, lots of comment, and hours 30 to this week running because I select this week winning product. Okay, very good one product. Everyone can pick this product. Competitor link, and let's add the Facebook link. Okay, we need to still find out more good winning product. Let's see this one. What's happening? This one? No, nothing. This one? No. This one bank is very working for us. I hope. Let's see the ads. Not good. Like skip this one. What winning this one? Let's see. This one is product is very working well. I see. I test when I test product, then I see this one product is very working well. Crazy. Yeah. This one product is problem solving product. We can see that live. There are August they are running ads. See, and to copy the competitor link also. Let's find another one. See, no, I only find the problem solving product and try to find the good winning as well. What winning? See, nothing this one. Let me see this one. No, it's not good product. So let's try to find other problem solving product. August 20. Oh, this one is also good one. Yeah, lots of comment, lots of like, and there are August 24 from they are running. No, this is a landing page. I do not pick this one also. Problem solving, but I do not pick this one. Let's see, this one is maybe good one is happening. Let me see. No, this one not good one. This one also very good one. 4.7k like, very good one. Power step. Let's see this one. This one also very good one. Almost 5k like. Very good one and new and enter product. Okay. Let's try to find more one. Foo. This one should very good like very good one. Let's see what happening. This collection not good. This is the cleaner one. Not good. So let's see this one. Lot of like. What happening this one? Let's see. Maybe this one also collection. Okay. I will pick this one also. This one is very helpful for the fucker. Yeah. So from like from 21 they are running ads. This one is pretty good. Okay. Copy the competitor. Let's say add. Let's add. Let's try to find more one. Sorry. Uh, let's find more one. Already got. Let's see this one. This one is also good one. Let's see this one. Good one product. Okay, looking like very well. Wow. Okay, let's pick this one also. Eye catching product. This one is totally eye catching product. Wow factor eye catching product. Okay, we got already 6 product. We need to find still another 4 product. So let's try to find. Uh, these are shoes also good. Let's see these one shoes. Yeah, this one is problem solving product. Yeah, this one is totally crazy product. Lots of like from August, they are 16 August from their running ads. To be honest, this one is also good. Okay, let's try to find more. 3 product. Still we need to find 3 product. What happening this one? We need to see. See it's China. No, it's back. So I don't pick. This one is very problem solving product. Let's see this one. Very good item. They are running 15 August. Okay, that's very good product. Baby head safety purpose product. Very good problem solving product. Okay, going to find more. Another one. Uh, Anything good? What this product doing? This one is good also. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Lots of like 14 August. Wow, it's a great product. Coffee. Sorry, I mistake. Oh, okay. Okay, and then lots of like here. They are running lots of from lots of days. So still you need to find some product. I will try to find all of the product problem solving and I get some product. Let's see. Bring this one. No, nothing good with this one. Mhm. Product is repeat product. See, these are also very cool. I see. Yeah, this one is also very cool product. Okay, let's see. Product base. There I got six running product. Wow, it's great also. All of the product I got from maybe. Okay, we got the 10 product. So everyone, I hope everyone get the product and very helpful. Everyone, please. I know everyone subscribe my channel and it's very helpful using my product and they are getting good sales. Please subscribe also and like, comment, share. Then inspire me day by day. I will share more than that video. I hope everyone do that. So thank you for watching video. Have a good day.